Hi, my name is Muhammad Mafidos bin Azli. I'm the project manager for Game Recommender System project. Then I would like to introduce you all about my team members. Requirement analyst, designer, developer, and also tester. 1, 2, 3. Hi, my name is Muhammad Mafidos bin Azli. I'm the project manager for Game Recommender System project. Here, I want to tell you about the introduction about Game Recommender System.
Introduction. An online game recommender system is anticipated to be used by the community of gamers. This system is using individual rating that given by the member of community and also alongside rating that the gamers like what type of games. Then, it is recommend new games and predict to that gamers. The aim for game recommender system is head match the user preference and then user-based collaborative filtering is applied on the individual ratings of the game for a particular gamers to find similarity between those gamers. The genre-based filter is mere on the share rated games.
Okay, that's all about the introduction about Game Recommender System. Then I want to tell you about what is the problem statement that occur about Game Recommender System.
Problem statement. The gamers or users are able to get the latest update about game or information about the game that is already released and will be released. The gamers or users also unable to know the best game that is many users like to play. The gamers or users also do not know the trend game nowadays that many users or gamers all like to play.
Okay, for Game Recommender System, I use waterfall model. That the Gantt chart about the Game Recommender System also have been built to easier our work.
In the task Gantt chart project, we have 6 tasks. Firstly is project proposal, 14 days, SRS 31 days, STD 14 days, prototype project 31 days, STD 14 days, and project present 7 days. We take duration from the 20 February 2019 until 22 May 2019. Here are examples of Gantt chart for our project.
Hi, I'm Wan Shafiq, the requirement analyst for this team. Here are the things that we have come up during this project.
The objective that we have come up is, first, to provide user with rating for the best game that recommended by gamers. Second one is to suggest the best choice game to play. And the last objective is to filter the information to suggest the best choices for user based on their preference. Here are the functions that we have agreed to include in the system. First, sign up. User needed to provide username, age, gender, email, and create account password. It is also used for verifying process and saving progress. Second, log in. Username and password is needed to continue the last save progress. Once logged in, preference based on users recently played, genre related, popular is shown on the home page. Third, search. Search by keyword. Recommender act in during the field process by filtering and choosing through several categories with design algorithm. 4. View. A homepage game is shown in a wider ratio. User can start the game by default or in full screen mode, activated by clicking the box or the name of the game. The last function is sign out and access to the site. User can sign out manually or if the page left idle without any activity for 5 minutes. The category that is used to recommend the game is, first, rating. Each game will be given a rating by the user starting from 1 to the least liked and ending 5-star with the most liked. When users search for a keyword, games from related keyword will pop out as a result and the most rated will be showing in the top search. The second category is number of game played. The system will recommend game that is mostly played by the player. Game page from each player is differ according to their activity. The second category is number of game played. The system will recommend game that is mostly played by the player. Game for page from each player is differ according to their activity.
Hi, I'm Karinisa. I'm the designer for our system GMS, that is Game Recommender System. The design phase will be started up as soon as the requirement phase is done. From the SRS, it will be implemented into SDD. In design phase, there will be going 4 types of design. That is, the first one is component design. The second one is database design. The third one is architecture design, and the last one is interface design. The deliverable in the system is SDD, that is system design document. In design phase, it will be going to have 4 types of design, that is database design, component design, architectural design, and interface design. All these 4 types of design will be implemented in the form of document. This document is known as software design document. The first one is database design. Database design is a design to represent all the databases that are available in this recommended system. Database design will be implemented in suitable form, that is UML. The UML that we choose is class diagram. The class diagram is constructed by using Umlet software. Next is component design. In component design, it will represent all the components that are available in Game Recommender System. It will provide the detailed description in how structural element in the recommender system will be implemented. The sketch diagram is implemented to represent component design. The use case diagram is constructed by using Umlet software. Next is architectural design. In architectural design, it will represent the structure of the data and all components that are required to build recommender system. The activity diagram is constructed by using Umlet software. This is the activity diagram for user in the recommender system. This one is activity diagram for admin. The last one is interface design. In interface design, design team will design how the recommender system communicate with the system that interoperate with it and with an user.
Hi, my name is Hakimi, and I am the developer for this team. You want to find out how we develop this system? Let's find out.
So this is the home page of the GMS. Here you can explore the website. Down here you can see the statistics of the total online, the guests, and you can log in through the website, Facebook, Google, or Twitter. Here you can sign up and even log in if you're a guest, and there are the categories of the games. If you click on the online games tab, you can see all the available games, which is 298. If you try to click one of the online games, you can see the overview of the games. Here you can give it a rating. Here I give it a 4.5. I give it a rating before. So yeah, if you click on the play online, it will open a new tab. You can also select the categories: puzzle, strategy, and on top of the page you can see the total games in the category, and you can also sort it by date, name, rating, and runs. For rating, you can sort it by ascending or descending order. So that's it for me, the developer. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Amira binti Muhammad Ishaq. I am the tester for our system. So I am going to explain more about the testing that we use for this system. Let's check it out.
Testing for our recommender system, we use usability testing and automated testing. Usability testing for the system includes the following: The system should be easy to use. Instructions provided should be very clear. Check if the instructions provided are perfect to satisfy its purpose. The main menu should be provided on each page and it should be consistent enough. The test for navigation. Navigation means how a user surfs the web page, different control like buttons, boxes, or how the user uses the links on the page to surf different pages. For automated testing, tester using an automation tool to execute the test case suite. Tester enter test data into the system under test. Tester compare expected and actual results. Tester generate detailed test reports, and no human intervention is required.